Okay guys, check this out. This really green grasshopper. You can see what he's done with that leaf. I was watching him eat for a while and I thought I should go get the camera, see if we can get him eating again. This is the eggplant he's eating on. There's a lot of wind. I was gonna grab him here, feed him to a turkey. But look at the spines on the back of his legs. You see those? Wow. They look sharp. There he is. It's really cool looking. But we can't have that eating the garden. So I'm going to feed him to a turkey. Okay, here, turkey. Oh, the chicken's got him. It's mutton chops. And she's not sharing. Oh, there's lunch for one. Now if I could find about 50 more, I could feed them all. Oh, she's excited. Okay, well that's it. One less grasshopper to eat my garden.